little closer. Okay, so y'all know I've been dropping content, and when TikTok released, it was gotta drop more content or whatever. Sorry, y'all, it looked dull. I heard him out with this sunroof. Okay, that probably didn't do a little better, but hey. Anyway, so y'all know I had to come tell y'all. I've been gone for a minute, man. I've been gone for a minute, but you know what I'm saying? Your girl had to get back on her shit. Y'all know your girl was struggling. I moved to fucking Houston, came the fuck back. Period. I moved to Houston and came the fuck back. And I'm just gonna give it to y'all raw and uncut, okay? It's not that I didn't like Houston. It's not none of that. Because at the end of the day, I loved Houston, y'all. I love the food I love, you know what I'm saying? It was cool in Houston. I love the cost of living in Houston. Everything was cool. But I couldn't find me, okay? I couldn't find me. I'm a country girl. I could not find myself in Houston, so I moved the fuck back to Dallas. So, when I did, I was struggling for a little minute. That's why I've been gone for a little minute. But I knew everything about how TikTok closed down, all this bullshit that came. So, and I know everybody was going crazy. Are you right? Okay, me too. But anyways, so I came across some stuff. I'm a researcher. I'm a traveler. I'm a researcher, and I dig into things. And when I dig into things real hard. Y'all probably be saying, dang, what's she talking about? Just get to it, Diamond. Yeah, if I just get to it, then it's just like just throwing it out, giving y'all the germs. Like, well, I need to explain to y'all what's really going on in the world, but hey, y'all, hey. So, what I want to say is, people know that y'all know I sell PS5s and MacBooks and all things in that nature. So, what I want to do, since I done made a good amount of money, from selling electronics. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to say electronics. I done made a good amount of money from selling electronics, y'all. And I love it, y'all. I feel like I'm back on a road to where I used to be. If you feel where I'm coming from, you know, we have that breaking point, we have an up point, then we have a breaking point, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I'm back where I used to be, and I'm happy. And y'all can probably be looking like, well, Diamond, you still got on work clothes. You're fucking right, I still got on work clothes. You know why? Because at the end of the day, I'm still letting my 401k roll over. And then not only that, I'm letting my 401k still roll over, y'all, because you made a little money, you know what I'm saying, a couple $1,000s, I ain't gonna, you know, a few $1,000s or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you just don't quit your 9 to 5. And that's why I fucked up the first time. I just let my 9 to 5 go, and I let my business take over. And you know, I hit my 6 figures, and then I fucking failed because I was taking trips, buying expensive shit, buying expensive cars, doing what I needed. You know what I'm saying? But so this time I just went around it a whole nother fucking way. So this time I got my house, y'all. Yes. Today is move-in day. So if y'all don't follow me on YouTube, make sure y'all go follow your girl on YouTube, because y'all would never know. I'm in a brand new freaking house, y'all. A brand new freaking house. Me and my kid is the first people in this freaking house. And I'm so excited. And I want to give all thanks to God and the strength that he gave me, the glory that he gave me for being so knowledgeable. Like, when I say I'm just so knowledgeable when it comes down to stuff, God gave me talent. Like, I get into stuff, and when I tell y'all, I research. I freaking research stuff all the time, and I'm always putting my fingers on stuff. And then people be throwing stuff out, and they're just like, you know, this, that, and the third, you know what I'm saying, buy this. I am not buying a whole bunch of shit unless you got the knowledge to tell me, and you gonna give me from the beginning to the end. So what is morals of this is, a lot of people been asking me, can you hook me up with, you know, your PS5, your MacBook vendors, whatever they do, this and the third? Okay, sure. Okay, but let me get mine in first, because I'm the one that started this. So let me get mine in. I know a lot of people out here doing a tax. Doing taxes, you know. A lot of people out here doing digital products. I know a lot of people out here selling this, that, and the third. And it's cool because everybody got their own hustle and their own flow. But me, I got my own hustle and I got my own flow. I be trying to get a little, you know, if you know, you know. Okay? So, I'm going to give y'all the germs. How I found the germs. And this is y'all, I'm trying to tell you. Don't come to me, don't DM me, because it's right there. It's freaking right there. You go to the link. We already on TikTok. You go to the link in my bio. On my TikTok bio, y'all. You go to the link, because sometimes you just gotta repeat yourself sometimes. And when you go to the link in the TikTok bio, under my picture, it's my Linden tree on there. You click the Linden tree on there, okay? And when you get to my Linden tree, it's my website on there, okay? D Rich Legendary. You click that. I have not launched yet, so tell a friend to tell a friend, y'all. The more y'all tell a friend to tell a friend, y'all, sure, y'all, I'm trying to tell you, more profit for you. I have an ebook on there. But see, in my ebook, it's a digital product ebook. In my ebook, y'all, I got my electronic vendor in there. The electronic, they're in Texas. If you're in Texas, you're good. You are good if you're in Texas. The electronic vendor is in Texas. I got the address. Sorry, babe. So on that vendor, I'm trying to make sure my time is going wrong, because my phone just cut off, because we in Texas, and it's supposed to be cold, but the heat is my phone. Okay. I'm just joking. But okay, so I got the vendor on there. I got the vendor website on there. I got the vendor address in Texas on there. I got the vendor cell phone number on there. So if y'all want that vendor, go subscribe. Tell a friend or tell a friend, okay? Go subscribe to my website, y'all. Go subscribe to the website, because when I launch, you'll be the first to know, okay, my babes? And y'all, I'm just dropping the germs, y'all. And then another thing, I have another one on there. It's gonna have the Texas resale and EIN, y'all. Baby, when I tell y'all when I drop the germs, I drop the freaking germs, man. I'm on it this year. It's 2025. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. Okay? Go to the website. Go subscribe, so y'all be the first freaking ones to know when I launch. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to repost the video. Don't forget to tell a friend I love y'all. I gotta go. Y'all, I'm on my way to work, honey. Bye.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to know you.
So you guys, the doorbell. Sorry, looking. The kids are looking. That is the door. And this is the For You area. They done ran up the stairs already. So this is the 2-car garage. 2-car garage, you guys. 2-car garage. And then this is the living room space. And then this is the kitchen area. They turned this on leaking, so it won't bust the pipes, but I'm just gonna have it leak just a little bit. Yeah, and then it got all this is brand new. Everything is brand stinking new. I know it has the LED lights under there. Oh, that's a blower, okay. And then has your microwave, have your cabinet space all the way up there, okay. And look at that. Okay, and then you have your double door fridge. Then you have a water filter in the inside right here. Your freezer is down below. It's two. Your freezer is down below. Okay. They're getting it cleaned out. Stairs going up. This is, oh, it feels so good in here. This is the half bathroom. LED lights around. New restroom. As we go up the stairs. Oh, so you got the office space up here. A little small office space when you come in. The camera is not giving. Then you have the laundry room right here. Very spacious. It's so big, y'all. So big. And then you got the touch screen. That is touch screen. Everything is brand stinking new. It is LG. Everything is brand stinking new. Okay. Then as you go over here, you have the huge master bedroom. Very big. You have the 1, 2, 3 setting, the lights. Everything is new. Carpet is new. Everything is new. Ceiling fan. Okay. And then when you walk here, you got your luxurious master bathroom. So you got the LED lights, dual sinks, countertops. Then as you walk over here, you have the luxurious, honey, shower. I'm talking about this shower is super freaking big. Then you have the walk-in closet for the master bedroom. It goes way over there, all the way around and come down like that. Okay, then you have like an area over here for your towels. Then you have a bathroom, a toilet with the door. Okay, so you have all that. This is the master's bathroom. And as you go back, that's the stairs. Those are the nice dual windows up there. That's the downstairs. And you go down the hall to the other bathroom. Got the LED lights. You have that. You have these windows there. Everything is so stinking new, y'all. And you have this in the area. Beautiful, beautiful. Black. You have this deep tub, y'all. This tub is super, super deep. Like, super deep, okay? And you can also cut that off and leave that on, but we're gonna cut that off. Then we have a bedroom here. Okay. Pretty spacious, pretty big. Then you also have a closet, a deep, deep closet that goes all around here. Okay. And here's another bedroom. Double windows, very spacious. Huh? Go around, all like that. You said what, baby? Okay, I'm coming. Everything is so super new. You said what happened?
Look. Come on here, record it. Come on.
She's smart, come on.
Y'all see me on, right?
Yep.
Watch this.
Oh yeah, you can go in. I forgot the storage space inside the garage, y'all. So you can put like stuff all back here. The kids told my daughter, like, I found something. And it's the same height as the kids. But this is the garage, y'all. I'll show y'all that. Y'all like it. Turn this off. I told y'all we had a coat closet when we come in. So y'all, this is the new home. That's a thing. And then that's the for you. Oh, so y'all, another thing I can show y'all is the backyard. So we have a backyard also. This is the backyard area. Alrighty. Okay. Yes, this is right here. Oh yeah. And it's touch screen. Oh.
I could walk to work.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't got any notes.
I forgot how it go, but yeah, it's something like that. I think it's you got to operate it with your phone. I gotta turn these lights off because my light company is already hitting it. Alrighty, and that is